What's up guys, Discovery here, and today we are playing a game called Deadbolt. I don't really know much about the game other than a few YouTubers have been playing it. The one that I saw was Jacksepticeye, and it looked pretty fun, so I kind of stopped really early in on the video because I really wanted to play the game because it just looks cool. So the whole goal is obviously right here to kill all of the enemies. So I guess we should go ahead and get started. Get a knife. Can I pick up two? Oh, I can. Uh-oh, that guy's knows something. Oh my god. I am a murderer. That's what you get. Oh my god, I just cut him open. That was epic. Alright. Ah! I thought I was gonna throw it. Can you not throw it? Did I just like run at him? Here, let's try it. Alright, no, you can definitely throw it. Now that guy didn't hear a thing. Open door! Okay. Okay, alright. Well, that did not work out too well. The guy was just sitting there taking a dump. I tried to come at him. Yes. Okay, okay. I love this game so much. Oh my god. You just come and stab him. Alright, let's just get ready. Oh no! Okay. Yes. Shank. What does this do? Oh, it's a light switch. Cool. I'm like the guy from Halloween, Michael Myers. Just coming in your house, shanking no people up. How'd you? No! It actually I bounced off the floor. No, I thought it would kill him. No, don't deserve to live. Yeah! Drug dealers, probably. Yes. Is this a gun? Yes, it is. All right, it's the same way with the knife. I have to. Oh my god! I thought I missed. I mean, I did. Cover. Get shot again, fool. Okay. What is it? Oh, I can knock on an open door. Let's do. Ooh. Was that just a tutorial? I guess it was. Interesting. Huh? Oh, that's epic. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like that sound. It's really cool. Sorry, man. Oh, I just love shooting them in the head. Their brains go everywhere. Alright. So let's get like about aim. Yes! Got that from CSGO. Oh, I can hide behind it. What is this? This is a 9mm. This is a vent. Oh. Oh yeah, boy. Cover. Okay, so those are different little cover things, I guess. Alright, let's go into this next mission. Oh, okay, never mind. I got 3 stars on that one. What is this? Sit. The flames roar to life. Yes! I'm a god, you see. I got a few noise complaints from zombies shacked up in a house downtown, the fire said. Show them the door. Huh. The fire can talk? Zombie. When people die from drug overdoses, they get stuck here as zombies. Their fire never returns to me. The room got warmer. Overdosing is a pretty new way to die, and it catches me off guard, the flames said. Can't notice them in time. Every day I lend people the gift of life, their fire, the flames said. They live and grow, and with it their fire grows as well. In return, I expect it back once they pass. But some have managed to slip past the cracks. Slip past. Drug overdoses, suicides, faulty wiring, modern forms of death. I haven't got used to it, and I can't catch their firing time. They get stuck here, somewhere between life and death, still in possession of my gift. The flames grew and spat. That's why I have you. Ooh. Uh-oh. Okay. How do I get out of this little menu thing? Oops. I guess it's this one. Noisy complaint. Zombie Kings. Oh my god. I gotta... Ooh, change weapons? I got me a Bentley. I think that's what this is. My sexy car. Yeah. Dog life. Why don't I just... Here, where do I need to? Yes. A toilet. I can shoot through the door. Wait, can I, like... Oh, it's because my arm sticks through the door, I bet. They have no clue what just happened. Okay, so let's get ready. No! Alright, let's try it this way then. There we go. Let's grab the 9mm. Turn the lights off. Nice. What? Why did I do that? That was weird. Alright. Let's not camp behind the door. Yes. Open the door, man. Oh, I can go up here. Ooh, there we go. Oh my god, that's gracious. I should have been watching my ammo there. Watch this, guys. Party trick! Yes! One bullet left. Double kill! Yes. No, go. No! No! I was trying to go over there and close the door. Alright. Alright, I needed to start doing some one-shot kills here, so let's keep the revolver out. There we go. Bad. Smoking is bad. Oh my gosh. Yes! Let's go, boy. Oh, I thought he was gonna come through. Here, no. Let's go revolver on these dudes. That was epic, I feel. But that's of course because I am epic. Oh, no. I cannot stop failing at this game. I mean, I have to, like, I have to stop failing. It's okay. Don't you worry about a thing. What am I playing again? Let's go in the vent now. Yes! Start. Whatever, I'm not going blood. Except young blood. Let's go. Yes! Alright, 3 stars, cause like a boss. Alright, come on. Speak to me, fire! Yes. More members of Zombie Kings were spotted in a complex downtown. The flame said, my candles say they're moving drugs. Oh, okay. The flames seem to be barely listening, and its mind preoccupied. A new drug called ash. They harvest it from brains of the deceased and smoke it. Okay. And smoking it is said to give a high like you're alive again. Its tone became curt. Find out more. Find out. There's a large zombie with a shotgun at the far end of the house. Kill him if you need his gun. Okay. I still don't know how to get out of this little menu thing here. Oh, it's E. Okay. Choose mission. This one. New high. Let's do this. No! Whatever, I'm just gonna take one knife. No, please, close the door. No. Yes! Give me this! Oh, it's sawed off. Give me... like this gun, though. I need this gun. Where does this take me? I just need to finish off these dudes. Oh my god. This game is great. Inspect drugs. Yes. Is my car out here? Yeah. No, it's not. Okay. So, let's go over to this toilet. Let's take us all the way back. Thank goodness. Let's go. It should be out of here. Another 3 stars. Okay. Alright, hurry up. Mission. Zombies are moving large amounts of ash. Restore their cache. And attention of the leader. You have 2 entries into the house. So the left entrance is easier, but the right entrance has more weapons. Your choice. A new gun. Yes! Not what? I was using that already. You reach in the flames, they powder ash. Ash is made of hardening, small. Burning it, return to the fire. Okay, let's go. Yes. And smoke signals. Alright. Yes, let's get the 9mm out there. So they said the right is a little bit more difficult but has more weapons. Huh? So he can shoot me through the door too. I blew one away. No, give me the other one. Give me the revolver real quick. Let's do this. Oh my jeez. That zombie is big. There's a dirty joke in there somewhere that I don't... Oh, I killed him in 3 shots that time? Give me the sawed off. Trying to get the first shot off. Come on. Come on. One more try on the right side. Let's go. Alright, no more tries on the right side. Let's go left. This guy's on the other side. Yes. What is it gonna do? Boom! That looked pretty cool. You can see that in the mirror here. And also see it here. It's pretty weird. Maybe the back of my head looks like the front of my head. Oh, there's another big fat zombie. Every time. I gotta blow this dude up. Give me this. Come on, just come upstairs. I'm alive. Boom! Oh, this is great. Burn! Turn the lights out. Burn! Give me this back. No, no! Every time. Alright. Wow. Come on, come up here. Don't worry. Okay, you know what? You guys are boring! Yes! Oh, I could have done. Alright, that's whatever. Come on. No drugs for you guys. No. Bad. Drugs are bad. Alright. I'm gonna shoot this. The fat guy's coming up here, isn't he? Oh, he is. Not. He is not. Oh, maybe he is. Don't do that. I don't like you, zombie. I need you to stop shooting me when I'm shooting you. Cause bad. Every time I get shot, hurt my feelings. Every time I get shot, hurt my feelings. Every time I get shot, hurts my feelings. And it hurts me down inside. Hurts my feelings. Hurts me down inside. Hurts my feelings. Man, you better know. Ow! No, no! Oh my goodness gracious. This is, alright, come on. This is the moment. I'm feeling it. Moment, never let go. Let's go this way for one. Ah! Never again. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I need this gun. Oh, that was like Spec Ops stuff. Yeah. Oh, I know what I could do though. Yes! It worked. Give me a sawed off. I got a surprise for you, big fat person. Down there. Come on. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Why is the door open? Come on. This is so annoying. This mission is so hard. Alright. Get a 9mm right off the bat here. had two! No! Oh my gosh. This might have to be cut into 2 parts. Oh my gosh. No! Oh! Turn all the lights off. Let's get this place creepy. Oh, I got an idea. Watch this, guys. Rambo! No way. I'm Stealthy Ninja. Stealthy Ninja. Lights off, put cover up. Yes! Give me that solid up. Let's go. Solid up. Oh, get sniped. Dude, just sniped. Nice! Oh, okay. Alright. Sorry for that weird noise. Turning circles. Oh no. Come on in. Let's have a party. Have a party. Yes. That was great. Turn all the lights off here. Yes! I did it! Yeah. Let's go get my car. 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 I did it. I did it. 2 stars. Bad. Alright. Let's just do one more mission, and I say we can call it a quits for this episode. The flames roar to life. Yes, they do. My candles found the location of the banger named Lil Puff. He doesn't know much, but he might know where this ash supply is coming from. Target. The flames flickered, as if they were sneering. Lil Puff stumbled his way into a position of power. He is as foolish in this life as he was in the last. Shadows were cast on the wall. You still remember how to break people, right? You aren't sure what that means? Intel. Lil Puff keeps an old machine gun in his basement. Something he stole from the Trideeds? Okay. Trideeds, probably. I am sure it still works. Okay, well, let's go get that. Let's go get that machine gun. Lil Puff. Lil Puff. Lil Puff. Lil Puff don't look so good. I say him 9 mils better. No. Oh, lights off. Okay, alright. Let's actually, for this one, let's get the revolver out. Let's do this. They heard nothing. Okay. Turn the lights off. Tommy gun's down there, so let's shoot a bullet here. Let's get this dude warned. And then he's gonna come down upstairs. I'm gonna pop him in the head! Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I made a mistake. I made a very bad mistake. Close the door. Wait. What are you doing there? Nah! They blew me downstairs. So I get rid of the guy. Yes, burn all of it. Yeah. Oh man. Let's turn all the lights off. I find that kind of cool. Alright, here we go. I don't find that easy to believe. Light off. Oh my gosh, he just shot me in the toe and I died! Let me in! Ha! Boom! Let me in, come on. Boom! Hey, let me in. Come on. Oh no. Let me in! Okay, alright, come on. Let's do this for real. See here. Boom. Alright. Come on, dude, let me in. I feel like this game needs a little bit of music, maybe. Oh, every time. Come on. Alright, just keep it at the head level. And go. No! Oh, yes! Light off. Go up. Light off. Let's go. This. Here. Yes. Light off. Ooh, I could probably shoot through the door. Come on. Come on, hurry up, get over here. Ah! Oh, this shot. Hurry up. Ah! Come on, little puff! Show yourself. No, please. Oh, I'm stuck in here now. Oh, that's a mistake. Is that a little chub right there? No! I'm not going to the toilet no more. Yes! Give me this. Not closing off any more lights. Not doing no more lights. Not doing none of that stuff. Alright. So. Do it now. Oh no. Oh, I'm in some stuff now. Oh my gosh. Worst timing. Worst timing. Oh. I almost had it too. Hey, let me in. I'm a dealer, not a dealer. I'm a buyer. Buyer. Alright, come on. Yes! Give me this! Alright. No! How is he not dead? Oh no. Well, I already lost. No, I already lost. What? How is that a thing? Oh my god. He shot me when he was dead. That's a good thing. Wait. Hey, just come to the door. Not shooter! I deserve to die for that. That was terrible. Come on, come on. There we go. Come on. I need to buy some ash! There we go. Just come up here. This is gonna be like a 30-minute video. Oh my god, please. No. If that little dude not take the bullet. I want candy. Dun, dun, dun. You want candy. I know you. You want candy. So you. We all want candy. So get some candy. Open the candy shop. In the candy shop. Shop, 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 shop. Oh my fucking god. I did not know that I scrolled back onto the weapon there. Let me in! Hey! Boom! 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 I've officially made a mistake. Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Oh no. Oh, no! Alright, well something's gonna have to happen here. Oh no. What is this world? Hey, you hear that? No! Hey, let me in, please. Just. All right, this is gonna have to be. I'm giving myself 3 more tries. After that, the video's over, and I'll have 2 more episodes on it. Hey, let me in. Yes! That should have killed you. I was right in front of you. Oh my god, please just kill me. Yes. That works too. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I feel it this time. I feel it, I feel it, I feel it. I'm feeling... No. Yes. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, this is gonna have to be dry. Let's go. No, close the door. Doesn't work when I don't have the door closed. Please. Yes. Alright, here we go. Are you ready? Come and get it. No, no. Thank you. Okay, now, my best way at approaching this is by... Alright, no. No! I just need to beat this level. No, close. Come on, this is it. I feel it. Come on, please, please, please. Yes. Let's do it while he's like as far as we... Alright, I didn't time that right. Okay, I know what to do now. I have established a plan. For this plan to work, I need to have all 6 bullets. I need to have, like, the last bullet at the end. So please. Yes. Alright, come on, don't miss. Alright. That's what I need. Turn the light off. Please let me do it. Please, please, please. Please let me do it. Come on. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling good. Feeling it. Oh my god. I'm gonna beat this mother tricking level. Okay, you saw how good I was doing right there, guys? That's because I have thought of a... Oh, no, close the door. I shot the door. That was a mistake on my part. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Come on. Come to the door, please. Boom! Alright, come on. Quan Jones, Quan. Oh! Go now! Oh, no, back up. Oh, no way is this gonna work. Oh, no way this is gonna work. There's no way this is gonna work. Come on. I fucking missed a sawed-off shot? Is that a thing? Oh jeez, this is my alarm to wake up? And I don't need that now. Oh, this is so professional, guys. You won't even believe it. Alright, come on. I need you to please. Yes. No, close the door. Please. Yes. Go. Yes! Alright, I have the extra bullet too. I don't really need the extra bullet, but it's always a good thing to have. Here they come. There we go. Okay, come on. Yes, come on down, Billy Bob Joe. Alright. Oh, I almost shot at his... I did shoot his face! No. You're joking me. Can I shoot through this? I can't. Yes! Oh my god. This is not good. This is a very ungood sign. Yes! Yes! I did it! Oh, what was this? Oh, I was beaten in trivia crack by me mom. You deserve to cry. F all of you! Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh, that was epic. There was a lot of death. Oh, that took me 20 minutes to do. Alright guys, this is an incredibly long episode, I can already tell. If you guys stayed through to the end of this video, thank you so much. It really means the world to me that you guys are not only watching my videos, but staying till the end of the videos. And if you are, it would really help you guys just hit the like button. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.